So cyclicity concept is basically to find the last digit whenever any number, say 2, 3, 4 something, is raised to any power. So let us take the simple question, find the last digit when 2 raised to 79 is a number. 2 raised to the power 79, what will be the last digit? So 2 raised to the power 79 is basically 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 79 times. I want to find the last digit. Now here what you need to understand is that 2 raised to 1 will be 2, 2 square will be 4, 2 cube is 8 and 2 raised to power 4 is 16, giving 6 as the last digit. So the last digits are 2, 4, 8 and 6. They have not been repeated yet. But if you go forward and take 2 raised to the power of 5, you will get 32. The last digit will become 2. 2 raised to power 6, 64. The last digit is 4. So now as you can see the pattern, the last digit has started to repeat 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6, 2, 4, 8, 6 and so on. So we define the cyclicity of 2 is nothing but 4, because after every 4 power the last digit keeps on repeating. So that is the concept of cyclicity. So every number will have some cycle. So if you can make a chart, the cycle of 1 will be 1, cyclicity of 2 will be 4, the cyclicity of 3 by the same logic if you work out will again be 4, cyclicity of 4 is 2 because it is 4, 6, 4, 6, 4, 6, cyclicity of 5 is of course 1, cyclicity of 6 is also 1, for 7 and 8 it is again 4 each, 9 it is 2, 9, 1, 9, 1 and so on. And cyclicity of 0 is of course 1. 0 raised to any number, the last digit is always 1. So once we are understanding the concept of cyclicity, we can find any number raised to any power, the last digit. So for example, the question can be find the last digit when 3 is raised to 43. So again we know the cyclicity of 3 is 4. So we divide 43 by 4 and we get the remainder as 3, and therefore we will say 3 cube 27 is the last digit, or therefore 7 is the answer. So coming back to our original question, 2 raised to the power 79, if you recall, again divide by 4, the remainder will come as 3, so it becomes 2 cube and therefore the answer is 8. So we can find the last digit of any number raised to any power. Okay, let us take one small concept here. 2 raised to power 40, what is the last digit? So if we apply our rule, the remainder when 40 is divided by 4, the remainder is 0. So if we do 2 raised to the power 0, we will get bad result 1, which is absurd. So the concept says if the remainder is 0, we always raise the base 2 to the cyclicity of the base, which is 4. So the answer will be 2 to the power of 4, which is 6. So this is the concept of cyclicity.